Are you ready to start making money online but you don't have a single dollar to invest? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner using completely free traffic. You don't need a website, you don't need any paid ads, and you don't need any experience. I'm breaking it all down step by step, so by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start earning commissions online with zero cost, okay? So affiliate marketing is just you promoting a brand's products or services with a unique link that you are given, and if someone clicks on that link and sign up, you get a paid a commission. So it's a very simple and easy business model that beginners can start with $0. Okay, I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month. And this is my affiliate account dashboard. And as you can see, guys, just in 25 days, I made $19,102. Okay, I will share with you everything you need to start making like these commissions. You just need to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys just need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr like this, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just need to use your email address to sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and keep scrolling down like this. Just scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down, go to company. Okay, and click here on affiliate and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, and from here we will join Fiverr affiliate and we will create our affiliate account. Okay, it's super easy and simple. Just go, so you will be directly to this page. You guys can scroll down here and you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are paying some commissions up to 17%. You see this, which is really good. Anyway, go back here and just click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, your username and password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country. So location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Germany, and so on. You can choose your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You will just answer next few questions and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You will see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to start promoting services that people will be interested to buy from you using free traffic. Okay, and we will use, to get free traffic, we will use one of the biggest platforms out there, and it's YouTube. Okay, we will use YouTube to get free traffic. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. You can get so much traffic from YouTube. YouTube is the biggest search engine platform. It's the number two. Okay, Google is number one and YouTube is number two, and YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. Your audience that will be interested to buy those services from you, it's already here on YouTube. It's already exists. You just need to make good videos and good content that you will use to promote those services on YouTube, so you can start making commissions. Okay, so we will use YouTube. So how we can find good services that people will be interested to buy? Here is what you will do. You will use YouTube search bar. Click on the search and ask question. For example, you will ask how to, for example, how to make, let's say, viral. And here you go. You guys can see. You just need to type a question. You see here, I just typed this, how to make viral, and YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to make viral shorts on YouTube, how to make viral TikTok videos, how to make viral uh, short YouTube videos. So let's pick, for example, the first topic, how to make viral shorts on YouTube. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, and I will click on the search, and I will search for YouTube shorts. I will search for services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube shorts, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, how we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, pro sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. Okay, so for example, let me see here, I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one. I will make vertical agency ad for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube shorts. This one is will make ad video. Okay, so we need just a short video. Okay, so for example, let me see, we have also this one. You guys can see this one, level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will do video editing for Instagram reels, ads, YouTube shorts, TikTok. This one can make a lot of short videos. Can make videos for Instagram, for YouTube, and for TikTok, which is really good. Like this one is good. I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This is the proof. Do you see this? 14 orders in queue. Okay, people already paying for this service. Okay, and which audience will be interested to buy this service? Of course, it's this audience on YouTube that search for how to make viral shorts on YouTube. A lot of people have money and they are ready to invest if you will give them good service that will give them a good YouTube shorts quality, high quality YouTube shorts videos. Okay, so let's be real. If you want to make good YouTube shorts that will get million of views, you need a lot of skills and a lot of experience, and you need to know exactly how to edit and how to make those short videos engaging to get million of views. Okay, and this is exactly what those sellers are providing on Fiverr. They are providing good service. They can make viral YouTube shorts that will get a million of views because they have experience. Okay, so for example, like this one, you see this one. Let's check, for example, his video here.
Hey there, creators. Want to stand out and grab attention? Let us help you shine. At Brand Rocket, we make awesome content that gets noticed. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels.
Do you see this? This seller can make a lot of YouTube, can make shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and more. Okay, which is good. So what I will do next, I will copy the link of this seller. I will copy the profile link of this seller. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliates account. I will click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. You just need to click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do before we start promoting this affiliate link on YouTube, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good.
TikTok.
I will double click on the video and I will click on save video. Okay, so I will save this video to my laptop. I'm gonna name it short YouTube. Click on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video, and let me show you, and click on YouTube video. You will be again to this page. Okay, what you will do next, you will click here on upload, and you will click on upload file, and you will upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Let me show you. I will go to downloads, and this is my video about shorts. I will click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. You see this? Click on this 3 points and scroll down and click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will click here on text and scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. You have a lot of text here that you guys can use. Just make sure to use good one that looks clear and professional. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. Click on any text style. Your text will be over here. I'm gonna delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text like this, and put your text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. So people who want to make viral YouTube short videos and they want to get million of views, they will watch this video, they will see this. So click here on elements, and scroll down over here. Let me show you. Go over here to this one, to shapes, and choose this one. Click on color and choose black color, and put this shape behind your text like this, and you are good. Okay, check link in my description. Okay, now we have good video. Let me see.
Hey there, creators. Want to stand out and grab attention? Let us help you shine. At Brand Rocket, we make awesome content that gets noticed. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok ads.
Do you see? They can make a lot of videos, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will just click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. Next step, you will go to YouTube and you will open YouTube channel. It's for free. Click on create here, upload your video, and use this title: how to make viral YouTube shorts for your video. In your YouTube description, put this sentence: if you are looking for how to make viral shorts on YouTube, check link below. Okay, and what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan, or this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. This one for Fiverr Pro services. Also, you can use it. You can also copy your link from here, or you can copy the link from here. Those are your affiliate links that you can use to promote this service to earn commission. So Fiverr Marketplace new plan, you should see this option in your affiliate account. You need to copy your affiliate link from here and go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. So people who are interested to make viral YouTube short videos and get high quality short videos that will get million of views, they will watch your video, they will check your description, they will click on your affiliate link, and if they click, they will be directly in this seller profile page. If they click on continue and buy this service from you, you guys will earn commissions. And that's it. This is exactly how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner using completely free traffic from YouTube. And please upload the video as Creative Commons, okay? So you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. If you upload this video as Creative Commons, you will not get any problems with YouTube, okay? And that's it. This is exactly how you can start and make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, and if you are serious about making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing on platforms like YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest and TikTok and more. This it's the exact system I use it to generate consistent income, and I'm sharing all my secrets with you. Okay? If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description and I will get back to you. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.